Hey everybody, it's the Diva and I'm back. Welcome to my mukbang. Today we're having nachos, beef nachos. Of course, we have the salsa, we have sour cream, we have the guac. You cannot forget the guac, of course. And we got some pepper, some jalapenos up in here. Yeah, it's just one of those days where you just need that comfort food. I love me nachos. Who love nachos? Oh my God. Delicious. Let's make a nacho sandwich. So what's going on? What's going on? It has been so hot lately. At night, it is hot, man. Hot. Okay. This is good. And the nachos is messy. It's yum good. The weekends are going by so fast. I just can't keep up with the days. Tomorrow is Monday already. I don't understand it. I felt like yesterday was Thursday. Someone once told me that the days are not, the time is not going by fast. It's just that you got too much going on in your life. You got to slow down. But I really believe time is moving so much faster. Water is so refreshing. You guys know I love water. You know I love water. Oh, my chips are breaking. Wow. I love guacamole. I love avocado. I have a few friends who hate avocado. That should be a sin. This is gonna be a short video tonight, guys. It is so hot. No matter how hot it gets, I never take a shower in cold water. But today I did. I had to. It was so freaking hot. Oh, yeah. Did you go to church today? Did you pray today? Do you pray every day? Do you give God thanks? You have to give the Almighty that thank you, man. This was so good. But I'm full. I drink water all day long. All day. I'm working and I'm drinking water. I rarely drink like sugary stuff. Sodas is a no-no. Maybe once in a while I'll probably have a juice, but that's not often. You just can't beat the H2O. You can't beat it. And there's some people who just absolutely hates water. Why? Excuse me. That is so good. This looks so good. It tastes so good. I want to eat more, but I'm stuffed today, guys. For once. This doesn't happen too often. But so it goes sometimes, you know. So guys, promise you it's not gonna be a long video. Okay, I have to take a little bit more. It's tempting me. This is really good. Okay. That's it. That's it. No more, no more, no more. Everyone asks me, they're like, how do you eat so much and you still maintain your weight? Do you work out religiously? And actually, I used to be a gym rat, but I haven't worked out in a very, like about 2 years. I don't do nothing actually, but it's so strange that ever since I start doing these videos, I've been losing weight. I don't know how. I would like to know, but the more I eat, the more weight I lose. I know it sounds crazy. I do zero physical activity, none, nothing. And the weight is coming off. If I knew that, I would have like been doing this a long time ago. Eating so much. The one time in my life I really don't care about my weight, it's when I'm losing weight. I watch my weight. I don't watch my weight at all. And it just seems to be disappearing. I can feel it in my clothes. People can see it. I'm gonna enjoy it while it lasts, right? Alrighty, guys. I'm signing out. I promise you it would not be a long video. Wish you were here to have some of these nachos with me. They were that good. I haven't had nachos in so long. This is definitely like a comfort food. It makes you feel good. If you're ever down, you're depressed, just pull out the nachos, guys. You're gonna love it. Anyway, this is Diva Eats signing out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, hit on a thumbs up. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a video. But yep, you guessed it. It's that time where I gotta go. So until next time, see you soon. Bye.